Alright, so after this, so di ba na-drag and drop ko na dun sa side loader? I'm gonna test it now on my Oculus Quest. So technically, wala nang cabling nakakonect. Okay? And just go to, I'm just using this website. Am I recording? Yeah. Just go to this, I'm just going to this website para makita niyo yung nakikita nyo. Lalayo ako. Okay? I'm gonna go away from my chair. Okay? For example, yan. Yan na, hindi na na-connect. And let's see. So all you have to do, oops, nawala yung boundary. Ayan. So all you have to do here, pupunta ako dito. Okay, and then, saan na nga yun? Let me just check. Under, saan pa? Ayan. Yan, click niyo yan, oh. Click niyo to. Click niyo yan. And then, ito na yan, yung mga installed and so on. Makikita mo dito yung unknown sources. Yan. Click niyo yung unknown sources. Tapos ito na yung game ko kanina, MME game BAMO 1. Okay? So select that. Ayun na. Okay? And let's just wait for it to play. Yun. Okay? Ayan, no? So tatalikod ako. Lamsan na ako. Ayan. Okay? You grab the sword. Ayan. Okay? So technically, okay, kahit di na makakonect, naka-close na yung Unity ko. Okay? Kahit ito, close ko rin to. Okay? Close na natin to. Oh. I-disconnect ko na yan. Ayan. I'm still playing my game. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Yun. Okay? So, drag and drop and then click on unknown sources. Okay? Okay, so let's stop this. Quit. Okay. Now, para i-quit, you can use the code na application.quit or just use the this button here. Yan. Just use this button here. Okay, yung Oculus Quest button. So yun na siya. I'll just stop sharing. Yan, okay? So ganun lang siya, drag and drop. But take note, this would only work for Oculus Quest and Oculus Quest 2 and the higher versions. Hindi siya gagana sa Oculus Rift and Oculus Rift S kasi outdated na siya. Okay? So that's how you do it. Right? Sige, stop ko na to and we'll see you in class.